It is indeed our pleasure to share our joy with you. Please join us as we celebrate God's faithfulness in our marriage. Our marriage is a proof of God's faithfulness. It is a proof that God is too faithful to fail. Your delay can never be denial. You have to trust God. Regardless of whatever you're going through and you're believing that God is going to do it for you, God will surely do it for you. Genesis chapter 18 verse 14. Is anything too hard for the Lord? At the time appointed, I will return to you. Isaiah chapter 49 verse 8. In an acceptable time have I heard thee, and in a day of salvation have I helped thee. Please join us and celebrate God. God has remembered us. It is our appointed time. And as you celebrate with us, God will do something in your life, in your family, that will cause people to gather and celebrate with you. As you rejoice with us, joy will never cease in your homes. In the name of Jesus Christ. It is our traditional marriage, Saturday, 27th May, 2023. Please make use of the details displaying on the screen for more information. Of course, the phone number you can also call. Many thanks to every one of you who have reached out to us so far. Those of you praying for us and those of you supporting us, we are deeply grateful to every one of you. God bless you immensely. And for those that are asking for account details, in any case you are not able to travel for our traditional marriage, the account details, I'm going to call it out. Of course, they are also displayed on the screen. For dollar account, those that want to send in dollars, the dollar account is Nnawuihe Maxwell Ekene Dirichukwu. Nnawuihe Maxwell Ekene Dirichukwu. And the account number is 2040545574. 2040545574. And the SWIFT code is FBNINGLA. The SWIFT code is FBNINGLA. It is First Bank PLC. First Bank PLC. And for the Naira account is Maxwell Nnawuihe. The account number is 101-9866723. For the Naira account, the account name is Maxwell Nnawuihe, and the number is 101-9866723. Please make use of other information displayed on the screen. God bless you immensely. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.